What's up? I'm Josh Chang. This is my bike check. I guess I'll start it off at the top. I got Odyssey bar ends with ODI soft neck grips. I got S&M foo bars, 9-inch rise cut down to 27. I got Shadow Ravager stem in silver with a Shadow top cap, Demolition headset. I've got Shadow forks, Cinema times Etnies front wheel with a Cinema hub guard on my left side. I've got a Sunday Current tire in the front and Shadow pegs with the sleeves. My frame is a Federal Bruno. I've got Colt OS cranks, premium pedals, profile spline drive sprocket, and a Shadow V2 half-link chain. I've got a silver Shadow seat post and a kink fat seat. My back tire is also Sunday Current, some more Shadow pegs, and my back wheel is a Profile Mini laced to a G-Sport roll cage. Be sure to subscribe to Chris Dunlap. Follow me on Instagram, Josh_Chang12. We're about to go get some riding clips. Later.